Stop trading blind. If you're serious about winning more trades, you need these 5 powerful indicators, and guess what? They're 100% free today. All you have to do is click the link in the comments. These tools will help you spot high probability trades before they happen, get precise entry and exit points. Imagine catching perfect trade entries with laser precision before the market even moves. Today, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys 5 free indicators that are surely gonna take your trading to the next level. Also, if you're a Smart Money Concepts trader, you're gonna wanna go ahead and join our premium membership because we just released this Smart Money Concepts indicator, which is an ultra premium indicator that identifies institutional order blocks, spot liquidity grabs before they happen, and follow smart money concepts. The first free indicator I wanna talk about is the Doji Scalper. This tool identifies doji patterns that signal potential reversals for perfect scalping. And as you guys can see here, this thing works like a charm for quick entries and quick exits. The next indicator I want to discuss is the Trusted Signal Scalper. And this one is part of our pro plan, and you're getting this for absolutely free. This is perfect if you're a scalper. This is a momentum-based indicator for higher accuracy and perfect for short-term trades to get in and out the markets quickly. Also, if you need a reliable broker, HankoX.com has you covered. If you're getting in and out the markets quickly, you need to go ahead and have the lowest spreads and a broker that's not going to stop punch you. So HankoX.com is the preferred broker for TrustedSignals.com. The next indicator I want to discuss is the Correlation and Forecast tool. This one predicts the future price moves on any specific chart, any specific time frame, and this is super good at spotting repeating trends. How this indicator works, it looks back for similar candlestick patterns, and then it makes a blue box around it, and then this white box is what happened after this blue movement. So if we look at our chart, this is exactly what it's expecting for price to do. Now, I know we're talking free tools, but if you want to upgrade your trading charts and take your trading to the next level, Trusted Signals Premium membership has the best tools on TradingView, and we stand by that. And right now, you guys can get anything that we offer for 50% off. All you have to use is code TRUSTED50. These are the prices, and you're gonna get 50% off monthly, 50% off of lifetime, and we only have a few spots open. Speaking about crazy profitable indicators that can take your trading to the next level, we have the Currency Strength Indicator, and this is gonna give you the ability to only trade the strongest currencies because this gives you trend direction, multi-pair analysis, and currency correlation, so that way you can avoid the bad pairs. Now, last but not least, if you're a crypto trader, you're gonna wanna add this to your charts immediately, so that way you can spot the next altcoin run. The indicator that we're gonna discuss is the Market Insider Suite, and this is a pro indicator that is gonna give you the ability to spot bear trends, accumulation zones, and bull trends. And keep in mind that right now we are in a bull market, and if you notice, after a bull market, we have the altcoin market. So all you have to do is literally come here, set up your alert for the next altcoin alert, and you will go ahead and see your profits pump. Now, if you want to go ahead and automate any indicator in this video or any indicator on TradingView, I left a discount link down below that's going to go ahead and give you early access to AutomatedTrader.com. And with AutomatedTrader.com, you can literally set up your risk parameters, your stop loss, your take profits with any alert on TradingView, modify your order, and close orders directly from TradingView. Also, if you join early access, you're gonna have the ability to sell your signals to other traders. So I suggest you guys join now if you guys wanna make money with the tools that you already have. Now, if you don't know about Smart Money Concepts, I definitely highly recommend you watch this video right here, because this is gonna show you why you guys should get the premium tools from Trusted Signals today to take your trading to the next level.